Okay, it's now 11 o'clock. Snowflakes are a lot bigger. Still not sticking to the ground yet, but they said by the afternoon. Other parts of Houston have tons of snow stuck to the ground and on cars. Not over here yet. Let's see what Logan's doing now. Oh, there's Grandpa.
I'm not smiling, that's just gas.
He's not smiling.
Really?
Do not take Orencia with another biologic medicine for RA due to an increased risk of serious infection. Orencia can cause serious side effects, including serious infections. Certain cancers have been reported. Tell your doctor if you are prone to or have any infection like an open sore or the flu. If you have a history of COPD, chronic lung disease, Orencia may worsen your COPD. Tell your doctor about the challenges you face every day with RA.